Subscribe to Desi Binge for reviews, recommendations of movies, TV series, and documentaries. Hit the bell icon so that you are updated whenever a new video is posted.
Tribhang is a simple movie about complicated relationships. 3 women, 3 generations, their fears, their flaws, their fights, and more importantly, their choices and its consequences. Directed by Renuka Sahane, yes, apni Renuka. In this movie, she attempts to give us, the audience, an insight into how relationships work in a not-so-perfect family. A strong, ambitious mother who unknowingly ही सही ruins her daughter's childhood.
अजीब है, पर जीनियस है तो थोड़ी अजीब होगी ही. Cheers.
A raging daughter who is constantly either imploding or exploding.
आपका पक्ष नयन जी के लिए सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है.
अगर मेरा मुंह खुल गया ना, बहुत बेइज्जत होगी. I promise you, it will not be pretty.
And a seemingly balanced granddaughter who is at least somewhat sorted.
जी मम्मी जी, मैं बस निकल ही रही.
Sahane has etched these characters with utmost love and care, and that clearly shows. All of them are equally likable and hateable at the same time. Kajol is outstanding as Anu. She has always been a powerhouse performer and she aces this or the back role. In the beginning though, she comes across as irritating and annoying, but soon she beautifully settles down in our minds as this ferocious, foul-mouthed lioness whose tough exterior is just to guard a broken heart that she carries inside. Tanvi as Nayan has a small role, but she is brilliant, and so is Mithila. Vaibhav is also great as Robindro. Sahane is unapologetic about her characters. She lets them breathe and express. There is no attempt to make any of them as heroes or villains. They are just humans. There is no male bashing to prove a feminist point, neither is there a talk of suppression or zulm that a society inflicts on its women. It doesn't use any of the typical Bollywood tropes to justify a character's choices or actions, which one would feel is very commendable. But the film is not without its flaws. Sahane's other characters, the story, the setup, the background context and the plot, all of it feels half-woven, half-baked and a bit half-hearted. One can't help but wonder that this could have been just a brilliant play, these characters conversing with small flashbacks being acted out. As a film, the world Tribhang tries to build with its characters doesn't really seem realistic or believable. The whole Bollywood angle seems unnecessary. The Russian boyfriend aspect also has no impact on the story. Robindro's character doesn't get the justice it deserves. Even the granddaughter's angle of wanting to marry into a traditional family and caving into their demands doesn't quite fit into the overall idea of the movie. It disconnects you from the wonderful core story, the conflict and the eventual resolution. If only more efforts would have been put into fixing and improving these areas, Tribhanga would have been a far greater film. On the whole, I must say Tribhanga has more things to like than to dislike. So, we are gonna go with the above average on the binge meter. You can watch Tribhanga on Netflix.
Like the content that I put out, then please share and like this video. It helps. Subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every week. And as usual, thank you for all the love. Bye bye.